Meet Bob. He has just started a small business and things are looking good for him. Well, today could have been a very tough day for him, but with TagTooth's help, it turned out to be a happy one. You see, this morning Bob drove 100 miles to a city to attend a meeting and his car broke down. His regular mechanic would have taken hours to get to him, but with TagTooth, he was able to find one a few miles away. With car repaired, he got to the meeting in time. During lunchtime, he gets a message on TagTooth by some kind soul that his website is down. This is loss in business. He was able to call his technical guru and get it to fix it immediately. Also, he sent a note of appreciation to the person who had informed him. Driving back, he realized that he had left his book at Starbucks this morning. There is an emotional value attached with that book. How can he reach out there? But through TagTooth, he was able to send a message to that Starbucks. Someone by the name of Jeff replied in a couple of minutes, acknowledging that he had found the book and will keep it safe for Bob to collect it. Some business work required Bob to think of David, who he knew over 10 years back. He called David's 10-year-old number, and as he suspected, it had changed. With TagTooth, Bob could still send a message to David on his old number. By evening, he had connected with him. Tucked in bed, Bob's thought went back to Julia, who he knew in school days but had lost touch. He had tried to search for her on Facebook, LinkedIn, and other social media, but had not been able to connect with her. A thought crossed his mind. He takes out his phone, opens TagTooth, and starts typing with a smile on his lips. TagTooth. Reach out. Get discovered. Build new relationships. Connect. Now.